Okay, here are the cams. These are for bank 2, and that's why I put a mark right there. Those I don't know if the dots can be seen, but that's the big mark right there. And the same here, that's the mark right there, and the dots are right there too. And that's why I put them like this, because these ones in the rear, it's not gonna be possible to see the dots, and that's why I put a big mark over here. Those are the lifters right there. The lifters, they are in order for bank 2 and bank 1. Así es como están los lifters ahí alineados para el banco 2 y banco 1. Y aquí están los cams, ahí están las marcas. Están las marcas para verlo. Este que es el de atrás, el del banco 1, es casi imposible. Bueno, yo no lo pude ver, no se pueden ver los dots, porque no se puede. Entonces hay que marcarlo. That's the same way they're gonna go back. Así es como ellos van a ir de regreso. Alright, I just installed both cylinder heads, and just an update on this. I put the lifters. The lifter gotta go in the same spot. Just to show you, when you put the lifters, do not put pressure on the lifter at all. Just play with it. Just play with it, and you're gonna get it, but no pressure at all. That's it. If you put pressure, you go crazy, then you're gonna ruin the thing. You're gonna scratch it, and it's gonna get stuck. They get stuck so easily. So just basically putting everything back. Gotta do the timing belt and see what happens. No le ponga presión al lifter, solo juegue con él y así llévelo. Si no, lo va a dañar, lo va a rayar, y se pegan fácilmente y después le cuesta sacarlo y lo arruina. Right there, that's the mark, and these are the dots here can be visible, but most likely I do this for the rear ones. I do it here, but these ones are very easy to see them line up, but in the rear it's very difficult to see the dots. As a matter of fact, you cannot even see them. I couldn't see the dots at all, to be honest, but because these guided me. Because after you put them, there's no way you can see, so you have to be carefully, especially with the rear ones. Not this one. This is a piece of cake. Esto más que todo se hace, esta marca más que todo yo lo hago más que todo por lo de atrás, que es casi imposible. If you put a mark before I take them off, that's the thing, before I take them off. This is just at the beginning of taking the cylinder head off. And when you screw the cams, make sure you do it by hand all the way to whatever you can. Don't use like any gun or anything like that, gun, and use your hand just before, and start from the middle and then spread it out. That's how you gotta go. Empiece de cuando va a hacer esto, hágalo con la mano y vaya para afuera, empiece en medio. You gotta start in the middle and spread it out with everything by hand first. That's all. Just really quick, I forgot to mention, when you take this idly pulley off, make sure you don't lose this washer. This you cannot miss this. This is very important. The thing will have problems if you don't put this washer, so watch out for it. Póngale esta guacha que no se le olvide. Es muy importante, si no va a tener serios problemas. Okay, this is just to show the timing marks on this thing. That's the timing mark right there. That's the dot, and that's the small vein right there. They gotta line up like a little lobe, like a little vein. Those are the timing marks, and these are just painted just to make sure that this is the side that is facing out. I always do that. It's nothing to do with something else. Marca la marca del tiempo ahí, la DAT, esa pelotita, y allá esta y esta tienen que combinar, tienen que alinear. Entonces ahí está a tiempo. Aquí está con la del cover de metal, without cover, a metal cover here. They have to line up. Also there, they have to line up this line here. That's why the line on the timing belt with this here, and I have these things here. So because I'm still okay. Best way I have found to put this on these Toyota Siennas. Best way to put found, I put the timing belt. I put the timing belt without this. Once I set up everything, once I set up everything with the timing belt, even down there, I come and put this thing. I press it down. It does not require too much pressure. Just go a little bit. As a matter of fact, I'm still torquing it. La mejor forma que he encontrado de ponerlas en estas sienas, este idler, pongo la timing belt, la faja de tiempo sin este, y la vengo a poner este idler después que ya tengo todo seteado aquí con esto prensada allá. Entonces vengo y lo aprieto así para abajo un poquito nomás y ya queda bien.